Here's how to get started with the Ads add-on. First, log into your WordPress site. Then navigate to Insights and then to Add-ons. Next, find the Ads add-on. Now click on the Download and Activate button. Once it's installed, you can use the toggle to deactivate and reactivate the add-on. Next, head over to your Google Analytics account and select the account that you want linked to Google Ads. Now click Admin. Then in the Products Links column, click Google Ads Links. Next, click the blue Link button in the top right. Then click Choose Google Ads Accounts. Once the new window appears, click the box to select your Google Ads account. Then click Confirm. Now click Next, then scroll down and click Next again. And finally, click the blue Submit button at the bottom. Now navigate back to your WordPress site and go to Insights, and then to Settings, and then to Conversions, and finally to Ads Tracking. Now just insert your conversion ID and your conversion label, and you're done.